Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to communicate directly with the YouTube support team. All you have to do is follow these simple steps explained in this video before starting the explanation. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. Let's start the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to your YouTube studio, whether from the computer or from the phone. If it is from the phone, you have to go from the browser and open the YouTube Studio from the browser because the application does not have the feature of direct communication with the YouTube support team. After that, my friend, click on this icon, the chat icon, and here it will appear for you to ensure communication with the appropriate support employee. Please choose the topic that best describes your problem. Do you want to communicate with the YouTube support team for a problem related to monetization or content from the channel, or a problem with YouTube policies or copyright problems or other problems? If your problem is this, click on the problem, and if not, click on other problems until you communicate with the appropriate support employee. After that, you talk to her in the chat and tell her your problem and she will answer you and communicate directly. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited from it. If you have any questions, problems or suggestions, write them in the comments. We will meet in the next video, God willing.